Hi, my name is Manvindra and I'm from India. I am doing digital marketing from last more than 4 years, and in my current company I'm working from last 2 years, and where I do Google Ads, Facebook Ads, marketing automations, WordPress and basic software development. Basically, I am a team leader of a performance marketing team where I manage tasks related to like oversee them regarding web development or marketing automation, and I myself too Facebook ads or Google ads campaign strategies and these kind of things. So about the task that you have sent to me, so I have created this small doc about the task, and so let me go through these first. So first of all, I have to create two campaigns and provide you the scaling strategies that I think will be the best for this brand. You have given me a scenario where there is a healthcare and wellness brand that have around 100 SKUs. And I'm imagining that brand will have around, this is all just my imagination, not and given by you. So I'm imagining that there will be around 10 categories, and they have already very good creatives ready. And you have mentioned that the creatives will be image only in the, you have mentioned that like cold audience based campaign I have to create, and in that I'll will be using image based creatives. So the creatives, like 3 to 4 creatives will be already ready. I'm imagining also that, and also the Meta ad account is also new, and the Pixel doesn't have any data of previous campaigns or anything. So basically, I have to start from scratch. So let's just start from the, like, these are the steps I'll be showing in the video. So first of all, it is an interest based campaign. First campaign will be interest based, and in that I'll be using um, image ad copies. Another, there will be another campaign that will be based on dynamic catalog campaign. Third, I'll be showing you complete campaign structure. First of all, I'll be creating both campaign, then I'll just go through how I plan the structure. Then fourth will be budget strategy. What strategy do I recommend for this brand? Fifth will be audience segments. How I segment my audience, or how do I target audiences between multiple campaigns or ad sets. Sixth will be placements. What placements I'll be using in the campaign. Seven will be bidding. What bidding strategies I'll be using, and what bidding strategies we can use in the future. Eighth is the creatives. What creatives I suggest. And ninth, when to scale or when to duplicate the campaign or ad set or ad, and what metrics we should consider while scaling the campaigns or turning off them. Yeah, so let me go through my ad account. So this is a dummy ad account where I have did some marketing in the previous time. So let me just start from creating a interest based campaign based on like cold audience, saved audience, and I'll be using single image creatives on this campaign. So here I'll be click on create now. Then I suppose this is just uh, goal is to generate sales. So I'm considering this sales campaign, no brand awareness, nothing else, just a pure sales campaign. So I'll just click on continue button, and then I'll be choosing a manual setup here, because advantage plus campaign we can set up later when we have some data in the ad account and in the pixel. So let's just continue with the manual campaign. Here I will put a name. For example, I'm doing the marketing for product or category name, then interest, and then I'll mention what objective is this campaign have, and then date. And then I'll be not using any kind of, just a minute. I'll be not using any kind of CBO here because I prefer AdSense budget optimization. And here also one of the most important setting here, like we have to mention who are the engaged audience. Like I have already set here catalog views, add to cart, or website visitors, and we can basically set our audience who have visited our website but did not purchase anything from the website, and put that into just engage audience. And then existing customers will be who have purchased our products in last 180 or whatever time duration you want to pick. So I just like keep these settings because we have multiple products or multiple categories, so we can just create those custom audience based on the categories or products also. But for now I am keeping this only, and then we don't have any special ad categories, so let's just continue. Currently, I am on the ad set level. I will rename this ad set later. And from here, performance goal will be the maximize number of conversion, because this is a new ad account and we don't have any prior data. So choosing ROAS based or maximize value of conversion won't be more beneficial than this one. So let's just go with this one. And also my goal will be to choose purchase event, because this is the ultimate goal. And I'll not put any cost cap here, because obviously the account is new. To put here any cost cap, I have to know what will be the average cost per purchase. So I'll just leave this as it is. And then these all setting I'll just skip just a minute. Yeah, I'm just turning off this setting here, and then go back to ad set level. Now, for example, the budget is 1,000 per day. I'm just keeping a dummy budget, and the ad should start from 7 a.m. tomorrow. Yeah, we can choose any time or any date according to the requirement of business or our campaign. Location, I have already kept this include location India, and another excluded location like Ireland, Sweden, and United States. This I have done via account level setting that we can do from here. And then this is the minimum age criteria I have choose from again account level setting. Here I will choose this original audience and then come here. So first of all, as you have mentioned, this is a health and wellness brand. So considering I will just create 2 to 3 ad set. For example, one will be related to gym, another can be related to wellness and health, and another can be related to yoga and something like that. So I'm just keeping these 3 example here. Gym, just a name. So just I will go down and start choosing my audience from here. So let's type in gym. Okay, here's the gym junkies. I'll just cut this down and then okay, once I choose a gym, and then I can just click here, then choose all the gym related or physical training related interests like physical fitness, physical exercise, health and wellness. I want choose weight training, running. We can also include bodybuilding, strengthening, CrossFit, running, powerlifting, and all these kinds of interest we can choose. And another layer of filter we can do here is engage shoppers, people who generally purchase after seeing ads from Meta like Instagram or Facebook or anywhere from audience network. So these are the interest one. This one is related to gym. So I have renamed this one. Then I'll go down. I don't touch any placement related settings here. And then I'll go down to ad set, ad level, and also this can be IMG1, IMG2, VID1, VID2 as like what the video is suggest. For example, in this image, I'm promoting category X or product X, then X IMG1. We can do like this, or we can also add on which date this one is created to just recognize later which image is this. And then this is just a demo page, and also here I'll choose an Instagram account. Threads is also part of Meta Ads ecosystem now, so we'll just keep it selected. In branding, we can choose our logo, our font, and text, tone, visual style, blah blah blah. So for now, to save time, I'm skipping it. I'll choose create ad option because I want to upload my ad here. Then manual campaign for now. Then I'll keep single image or video. If it's I have multiple images, or like I have I'm promoting category X, and in that X category there are like 7 or 10 products, let's say. And if I have 10 images for different product, then I'll choose carousel. But for now I'm going with single image or video. Then there is a website, and I'll just uh, keep any website. Let's say this is our product page or category page. So I'll just keep it here, and then display link will be like this. And then here I will choose nothing, and then we will go with the ad creative. I'll go with image ad. So first of all, here I will choose the source. So this is the URL that I have provided. And then from here, I'll select which category I am trying to promote. For example, this one for just giving you example. And then I'll just add the logo, text tone, and everything here. And then come down below. From here, we can add some site link extensions, like there will be display. For example, category X, then URL of the category. Then we can choose a thumbnail from here, like we can choose anyone. So just I'm skipping this for now. I'll just add this as it is, and I'll go down below, and we have already chosen our product set from here, so we don't have to do anything here. And I'll just go next. And then let's say I have already uploaded the image here, so we can upload from here and then choose an image, or from account or business or Instagram or Facebook page also. So I am just going with this one for now. For just example, this is not our supplement brand image. And then if we have multiple variations of our image ad, then we can replace from here, or I'll go with original. So let's say original, and then next. Here we have to give an offer. So currently the primary text will be here. I'm just putting here demo text. Headline here will be USP, and in the description there will be plus CTA plus benefit. And there is a shop now option. We can also use multiple headlines and multiple description, and also multiple primary text. But for now, I'm going with this. Actually, I didn't have much time because the recording I couldn't find any better recording softwares. Also, that's why I have to record this screen while from this Zoom. So that's why, yeah, that's it. And that's why I didn't have had time to write all this because otherwise I just have would have write everything here and just get an add image also. But let's just skip that part here and then click on next image generation. If Meta have introduced this option recently where you can just if you have product images very plain or something or you want to check if Meta can create better images from your main image, so you can they have just generated these kind of images. This all came from that logo and branding part that we have set up earlier that I didn't, but Meta gave us option to set up that. And we can choose any image that is better or good to use in the ads, and then we can just either generate new or skip or continue with the selected images. Then there are some enhancement. First of all, overlays. I my standard practice is to keep them all on. If okay, here's the catalog. Then I'll just check is it the right catalog I have selected. If not, then I'll just go to customize and then choose the right product set as per the requirement of or what I'm trying to sell here. Then go back to recommendation and then click on done. Sorry. So here's our ad ready. Please ignore this image and all these text. I'm just as you told, you just want to see how I use Meta Ads platform and everything. Then I will go to this info label and we can choose from here. Do we offer free delivery? If yes, then click on yes. Do we offer refund? Yes. Do we offer a payment option? Yeah. So we can choose if there is any minimum order value you want to add or how many days will it take for free delivery, or then if you have any refund policies or if they are free, then we can set from here. And also we can choose what payment method customer can use to purchase from our website. So yeah, for now, I'm just canceling this one and then I'll just go down. There is an option to website event and I'll choose a active pixel that is connected with our website. So let's say for now this one, and then if you have also website, then we can choose app event also, and also from the URL parameters, I will add parameter. Just a minute. Yeah, so UTM source, campaign name, source name, medium, paid. I keep here Meta Ads and UTM campaign will be campaign name. UTM content will be ad name only, not ad ID. UTM term, we can remove this one. We don't need this. Then click on apply. So this is a basic campaign setup of for saved audience, or we say interest-based audience. So this is a kind of a simple structure. So if we have multiple ad copies ready or ad images ready, then we can create here 3, duplicate, change primary text, headline, images, or whatever you want to change from this, and then just this is ready to go. Okay, what's this here? I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Okay, here's the data set. Oh, conversion event, purchase. And then since I have selected the data set again, I hope I will have to Okay, it's pre-selected already, and UTMs are already set up. Okay, so let's say we have completed our ad set one, then we'll just duplicate it two times because I kept these two also. Then I'll just click on duplicate option. First one, this will be related to yoga. Let's go and select yoga related audience here. I'll just choose yoga, then yoga instructor, yoga trouser, anything related to yoga like yoga mattresses. Then okay, let's just click on suggest. Path yoga, yoga, or so this is yoga. Our next audience will be wellness and health related. Let's go to health related, then cut down them all. Health and wellness, health and beauty we can also choose because it falls under the similar category. Okay, let's go with some suggestions. Physical fitness, we have already added there. Healthy diet, healthy habits, healthy food, we can choose all of them. So let's say I have created this one campaign, and under that there are three different ad sets which have different kind of audiences, and every ad set has same set of ads. So there are like one campaign, three ad sets, and four ads having every ads as well. I recommend having three ads per ad set, but it's a personal choice whether you want to put two or three or four, but it should not very much because every ad will have not same amount spent in if you check after 2 or 3 days. So first task is done. Second is dynamic catalog campaign. So just let's go back, create new. I'm choosing again sales, continue, continue, dynamic. And here I'm adding advantage plus catalog ads, and then just I'll go down. These two settings are very important. I already told. Okay, I'll click on next. Then category one, maximize number of conversions. Again, as I already told, then this will be purchase, not all product. I will choose whichever category that I am promoting in this ad set. So let's say it's this one, for example. I'll keep it off for now. Daily budget will be 1,000. Again, date and time we can set. Find prospect audience. No, we want to retarget. Okay, we want to retarget our existing audience. So for this particular set, everyone who have engaged with this category but not purchased will be fall under uh, this ad set. So viewed or added to cart but not purchased. I just keep this one last 30 days and then go with. I'm considering this one, or if we are upselling or cross-selling product, then we can go with these two. For example, this is a supplement brand, and supplement people need, people won't keep it for years. It will be the box will be finished in 30 days or maybe 40 days. So we can just keep like this one and keep days here. I will keep that all on also. I will keep this one only. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, this one. And then from here, I'll choose just what is my product time run, how long my product will stay with the end customer. Let's say here 30 days. But for now, since we are starting new and we don't have very much customer data, so we'll go this one 30 days. I want to all okay. Not purchased is already target here, so we don't have to exclude anything from here. Then just go next. uh, Category 1, remarketing last 30 days. That's what the logic behind this name, and the same name will be here. And then let's go with add. Let's choose this one. Go down. We'll go with carousel ads because this time we are promoting multiple products in a single category. Okay, advantage plus destination. This time I will also put the same website URL. Display link be like this. This is our display link. We don't have to touch any of this because we are not using any app or Android app, iOS, anything. Optimize media selection. Yes, I want to turn this on. Automatic video cropping. No. Then I'll go with multiple products. Then single image. We can also add it creative and add frame like this kind of how much percentage of off you are giving. Just a minute. Yeah, catalog information. Either we can choose manual this thing, free delivery, percentage of strike through price or main price, or we just keep automatic labels where Meta will choose what to show to which customer. So just let's keep open sans. Colors will be same, and I want to keep it like pill. Then click on save. Add a profile card in the last. This is subjective. Some people use, some people don't. So I have just added because I wanted to. tell you this option is also available. Okay, so we will put primary text here. It will be an offer. If I am someone who visited your website and I did not make any purchase, I may be considering something, or maybe I thought the price is very high, or something, can be anything, any reason. So we can use a good offer here, or like primary text. As already told, I didn't have time to write a good primary text. And from here we can add product name of our product, and then just a minute. We should not use product name because we can use category name here, but there is no option. Yeah, so we can use price or something, something like this. But this is a primary text, and this primary text will be shown to all the carousels, and every carousel may have different product price. So we just skip variables and keep static things like USP, offer, or something like this, benefits and everything. And then let's just go with the promo code, and then we'll choose, if we have mentioned any promo code here, then it will be automatically detected by its AI, or we can just add one from here. Let's create, as you can see, I have created multiple here. For now, I'll go with automatic. Okay, we just forgot one thing. So yeah, so this is the heading where you can put product name, and also price, or anything variable, any variable thing that is associated with all these particular product. Yeah, so I'll just keep product name, and also we can add description here. We can use a strong CTA or an offer, because it will be highlighted here. Offer, I just mentioned this, and just let's go down. Enhancement, let's see which is left. Yeah, so if you want to choose music, click on this and select any preferred music. But for catalog, I just keep this off. Everything else, I'll just keep on. Background, I don't want to use. Uh, Price, also I want to display, so let's just keep it off. Adapt to placement. Sometimes for testing, we can click this on. But for now, let's just skip it. Click on continue. Then here are the options. First, website event, from which pixel you are tracking these events or purchase or everything. So basically, which pixel is installed on the website. Let's just choose this one. Go to parameters again. Do the same things again here. If you want to keep anything static, like I do meta ads mention here and here, then these things will be variable. ID I don't want. And let's just click on apply. So this is for category 1, and we can do Control D, duplicate this one, and go down, choose another category. This time let's select this one, go down again, keep this as it is, and then continue with this. Everything will not be changed. Okay, everything is the same, and then hit on publish button. So these are two campaigns I have already I have created, and let's answer another question that you have asked. First of all, campaign structure, ad set and ad. For the standard campaigns, I keep, for example, one campaign. For example, I selected this one. So this, as it names, so this is an interest audience based campaign. So here are like four different ad sets with different audiences and have same kind of ad creative. So this is my campaign structure in the starting. Once I get which audience or which ad is working well, then for example, this yoga audience is working well, then I'll just create a new campaign with yoga audience only and then go with single ad set, sorry about that. Then go with single ad creative ad set. For example, let's just showcase you. Let's say this is a yoga related campaign only. Then I'll just duplicate this one. And I keep it like this. Basically, one ad set and one ad, sorry, one ad for every ad set. Every ad set will have same audience and all the ad set in that particular campaign will have same audience, and this ad set will have ABO enabled, like we'll using ad one not advantage ad set budget optimization, and with this method we will be using same budget to every creative and test for 2 or 3 days. Basically, there will be amount limit from which we don't have to go more than that amount. Once that amount is hit, if the results are favorable, then keep that on. If the results are unfavorable, then keep that off. Okay, so I do scaling with this way, and while scaling, I don't use multiple ads in one ad set. Yeah, so this is the way I scale campaigns. There is more with the scaling. I'll just tell later. Next, audience segment and audience segmentation. This is how I do audience segment. I just deleted the campaign. Really sorry. So basically, in the starting, I create multiple ad sets and choose multiple audiences in those ad sets. If it's a multiple interest in single ad set, then those interests will be related to each other. Then the audience name will be related to those interests. If we are using single interest in one ad set, then the ad set will have same as the interest name. So this way I do audience segmentation. This was for saved audience. And for custom audiences, I just go and select. For example, we are using category X or category 1. For this, we'll just create custom audience. The people who have visited category X products or that category X page and also did not purchase anything. So we can put these kind of conditions from here. Let's just create one. Okay, I think the time limit is about to reach. I'll just keep it quick. Website, next. We can choose pixel from here, all website visitors. And then in visited specific page, then we can contain X and every people who have visited the page which have in URL a specific term or a specific spelling, we can target that from here, and then we can do create category wise audience from there. This one placements, for placements I don't customize any placement for sales or lead generation type of campaigns, because here our CPM is already high. If we are doing brand awareness campaign, then I definitely choose reels and story and feed positions, these three positions. But if it's a conversion based campaign, I just go with advantage plus placements. Then bidding. Okay, let's just go through the bidding. So here you will be like we all see some options like target ROAS and then cost cap, and then maximum number of conversion and unique reach. For sales campaign, most relatable one goal will be to maximize number of conversion if we are in starting. If and later we can if you know what's the average cost per result, and that is somewhat around fixed, then we can use this one. But if you have we are running campaigns from some time and we have some data, then we can go with maximize value of conversion and also use target was from here. Yeah, so that is total 2 into 2 for bidding strategies I use for sales, particularly sales campaigns. Then there is creatives. So basically, in starting, I use multiple creatives in one ad set. Once I figure out what is the best ad set, then I use single creative ad set later, like one ad set have single creative only. So this is my strategy, and also regarding which kind of statistics, which kind of creative works. So currently, reels are working way better than other creatives, and also if we are using image creative, then the reel format like portrait image works better than square images. Yeah, so that I have observed with my another clients. Yeah, so when to scale and what metrics to watch. So let's say here we have, I hope I have set up already this one. Okay, this is the main view. So let's say we have, okay, main metrics I watch is for, I'm considering we are talking about sales campaign. So first of all, it will be purchase ROAS, return on ad spend, then number of purchases, and then purchase conversion value and cost per purchase. These are main metrics that we track when we run the campaign. And then amounts, and these are like I have set them from most important to least important. And then for the first day, if there are no add to carts within our desired cost per add to cart goal, then I'll just keep that campaign for keep that creative or asset for 1 day more, and then turn that off. And if there is one purchase, at least one purchase, then I'll keep it on. I'll just keep it on and also increase 10 or 20% budget in that. So after doing 2 or 3 days testing, I'll if I see okay this particular ad set is performing well, then I will create another campaign, all the ad sets having same audiences, and every ad set will have only one creative to test creative also. And if the same strategy, if any ad set or I let's say creative is providing desired result, then keep increasing budget and duplicating also. And if some creative is not providing result or making loss, then keep turn it off. Yeah, so this is about it. And also another metrics that I watch are here: add to cart, cost per add to cart, checkout initiate, add payment info, and then there is landing page, cost per landing page, link click, and cost per link click, and also CTR. Then I also check what is the impression, cost per impression. I don't consider reach and uh, cost per thousand reach. This very much important. But yeah, these are the left side most important metrics when I run campaign. And there is also some another metrics that I see like cost per add to cart, and then there is a hook rate from if 100 people if I got 100 impression, and how many people watch our at least for 3 seconds. This is considered when we run video ads only. Yeah, so that was about me. I don't know this Zoom meeting will be more than it's 46 minutes already. Yeah, so that was I'm really sorry. I'm submitting the assignment very late. I'm already late, and I also did not done any proper setup like um in background also, in lighting also, and also I was looking a better screen recording app, and I can't find because Loom was also asking me to buy a premium membership. Yeah, and also I didn't got any chance to create at least one image or write some better at copies. Yeah, so I'm really sorry about that. So I'm hoping to connect with you soon and have a quick Zoom call with you and. Uh, yeah, that was it. Yeah. So I'm really looking forward to have a call with you and yeah, have a good day. Goodbye.